Hey, what's up? This is Luke Stokes. It is Monday, October 21st, 2024, and I'm super, super stoked today because Morpheus 0.20 of the local install just went live today, and I'm blown away I can actually run it on my own computer, which I just can't believe because my computer is ancient. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here, and I'm going to show you how you can do that as well. I'm running on a 2017 MacBook Pro. Uh, it has the bare minimum, only 16 gigs of RAM for this install, and it's the Intel processor, which previously wasn't supported. So I got this to work, and I'm just blown away. Pretty stoked about it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If you're not familiar with Morpheus, please check it out. It's an incredible approach to self-sovereign AI that you can run on your own computer, and it's not censored, it is private, and it uses open source models. It's a really important project. I think AI development should be done in open source so we can see what people are up to and what they're doing. And I think it's important that we have access to intelligence. I really think this is going to be the future of success. It's going to be defined by how well you can access and use these intelligent tools. So without further ado, come over to mor.org, click on desktop client under resources. It's going to bring you over to the GitHub page for Morpheus agents. Scroll down here and take a look at a lot of these questions are pretty cool. You can have it do tweets for you. You can get real-time news information, check your own Morpheus rewards for the logged in address, all kinds of cool stuff. Get news, all of that. And this is how you do it. So under Mac OS, depending on if you have an Apple or an Intel, and again, you can do that by going about this Mac on your computer. So I installed this here, and it takes a while to run. And once you install it, you might be thinking, okay, what happened? What's going on? The first time you try to launch it, it's going to take a while. Like it says, several minutes, and it'll take a while because it's got to download almost 7 gigs of files. And so once the installation is done, it'll pop up the Docker desktop and you won't see anything running yet because it's downloading in the background. And the way to kind of verify that it's downloading is you want to run your, actually I can get through it this way. You can run your activity monitor, click over on network, and you'll see Docker will be downloading a big old gigantic file. So even though it looks like after the install is done, like nothing's happening, that's what's going on. It's actually downloading the models in the background, the containers for Docker, and then it fires them up. So once you do that, it pops open this browser window and you're up and running. I mean, I could say, BTC news today, let's say. And again, I'm running an ancient computer here, so this takes a lot longer than it probably will on a newer computer. But it's neat that I'm running it locally. It's fully self-sovereign, private, secure. All of that is really neat. Another thing I want to show is if you go in here in your Docker desktop and click view details, you can actually inspect what's going on here. So you can see right here, it's actually telling you, okay, let's see here. We started here and say, hey, crypto news agent, because I asked it BTC news today, and it's going to go ahead and grab this information. So actually, this is from the previous one. This is the one I just did. So BTC news today, and it's saying, hey, I got to find the agents. We've got the crypto data agent. We've got the tweet sizzler agent, the more rewards agent, the real-time search agent, crypto news agent. So now it's going out and grabbing the right agent, which is the news agent, and it's processing RSS feeds, getting relevant articles, pretty exciting stuff, pulling stuff from Wired, pulling stuff all over. And again, I'm super excited that you can run these kind of things on your local install with an old computer. I'm getting a new computer soon, but here it is. It's up and running. Morpheus 0.20 live and working. I can ask it all kinds of cool stuff. And I'm just really, really excited about this. You can get real-time news, and they're just going to be adding more and more agents. As more and more the community gets on board, there's an entire reward bucket, if you're familiar with Morpheus, for this compute. And you can be providing, and the testnet is live now, you can be providing a specific model, even a custom model maybe that you built. And if somebody wants to access it through a peer-to-peer, completely anonymous and private marketplace, people can access your model and lock up their Morpheus tokens. And then you get rewarded as a compute provider to provide that. So all pretty exciting stuff. And there's the answer. The latest news items, we get some information about what's going on. Super, super cool. So I hope you enjoy that. I hope you get a chance to check it out. I'm going to try to do more videos like this, just trying to help people understand what Morpheus is, all the amazing things going on in the Morpheus ecosystem, because it's really it's changing every single day. There's new stuff coming out every single day. We can't even keep up with it. But it's exciting. So if you haven't got a chance, check out the Morpheus Discord. That's kind of where the community hangs out. There's a lot of people there active, ask any questions. I've also got a faucet that I can drop into the description of this video if you want to get your first Morpheus token, and use Venice.ai and get a free pro account, which is pretty cool. As of the time of this video, it may not be the case in the future, but hope that was awesome for you as well. I'm, again, pretty stoked to see this ecosystem developing, even though it's pretty brand new. If you get a chance to support their community, come out and check it out. Have a good one.